In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in CorelDRAW. Now, the first way you can do this is simply by going here to the left-hand side and clicking on this text tool. And then, of course, you can just go ahead and click anywhere and type in whatever you want. I'm just going to name this one watermark over here. Of course, you could say whatever you want. Everything is going to work. So here you want to, of course, highlight over this and you can change its size and font. I'm going to turn this one into a different font. And then I'm also going to make it a bit bigger over here, just like this. Now, if you want to rotate it, you could also do that. So for example, up here you have the rotation. I can do like 20. There we go. Let's say this is going to be my watermark over here in the middle of my page paper. Okay. Then when you do that, you want to click on it, right click and go into properties. And then from here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different options. It's usually going to be on this one. Click on the transparency, which is the first one. And then here, select normal, which is default usually. And then click on this, which is the uniform transparency. And you can just play around with this slider over here. The more you go towards 100, the more transparent it's going to be. And for example, let's say like something around 80 is going to be cool. And this is now my watermark over here, as you can see, nice and easy. So that's the first way. But if you want to add an image as the watermark, that's also very possible. So I can go ahead and add an image. I'm just going to drag and drop a random image over here. For example, this one. There we go. It's very, very big, so I have to make it a bit smaller, but kind of the same thing applies over here. Let me actually make it smaller. There we go. Let's say this is what I want to be my watermark. Again, right click, go to properties, in here go to transparency, normal, and then select this one, which is the uniform transparency, and then just select how transparent you want it to be. And there we go. We have ourselves a new watermark with the image. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.